So here we are, just about to walk onto the Samsung booth. We're going to go hunting and see if we can find an S10 to play with. So Samsung have historically always had one of the bigger booths at MWC, and there's a lot of stuff going on here. So we've got a little bit about Knox there, some stuff about their 2-in-1 devices. Sadly, of which we're not going to see in the UK because it's a really nice device, but this is really what we want to have a look at. This is what we're here to see. So this is the S10 Plus 5G variant, and I have to say it looks stunning in this color set. Now, one of the big differences between the 5G variant and the standard S10 that will be on sale very, very soon is you can see this, the actual construction of it is slightly different, but the essential difference is there is no micro SD card slot in this device. There is just a SIM card slot. Now, the reason they've done that is they've had to make space to get the extra 5G componentry in it. But really, really nice looking device. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and actually get hands-on with the other S10 members of the family. So we're just going to continue our little wander around here. When I can get the camera to pan, that would be lovely. There we go. This is our concept. So it's a very, very busy, popular stand here, as you can see. More 5G over there. So, as is the case with pretty much all the devices here, there is a massive amount of focus on 5G. 5G really is the big news here. But let's dive in here and have a look at the S10e. So the S10e, as you'll know, is the baby of the family. But even saying that, it still feels like a really, really nice device. We do have the lovely canary yellow model here. It's a good sized device. It feels comfortable in the hand. We've got that fingerprint reader on the side, which I'm actually a fan of that. However, it is a little bit too high for me. I would prefer it to be down there where my index finger naturally lies. You've got a full front display here. There's no edge display on the E, but that being said, it's still an AMOLED display, and it is still absolutely stunning to look at. If we just fire up the camera here, and we'll jump into the front-facing camera. Really, really crisp and clear, and that is all down to the camera cutout, which is just up here, as you know. So that's just a little quick show of the S10e. What we'll do now is we'll keep on having a wander around and see what else we can find. You can see on the other side of the table there some of the other color options. I have to say the canary yellow one, it kind of leaps out at me. It is quite nice. I believe we've got some standard S10s over here, so let's go and have a little look. Yeah, so here we are. Here's the standard size S10. And you can see there, again, this is the Prism Blue, this one would be called. Now, you have gone up to the triple camera setup now, and you've got it talking to me. And you've got the no fingerprint reader, just the power button on the side, volume control and Bixby button on the other side. Because your fingerprint reader is now embedded in that gorgeous curved Infinity display. Infinity O display, sorry, I should say. And again, that cutout for the camera, it's very, very subtle. It's quite difficult to focus in on that at the moment, but there you go. It's very subtle, there's no light bleed, there's no real evidence that it's there causing any problem, so really happy to see that. I just quickly want to grab the S10 Plus again, just to show you the difference between the 5G and the non-5G versions. And it was a difference in the seam down the side of the phone. So the S10 Plus is over here. Let's go and have a dive in. Yeah, so you can see here from the actual edge where those buttons are. On the 5G version, it was kind of a different pack they were using, very subtle. If you know what to look for, you can definitely see it. So this is the one that will be coming to the UK straight away, and it is a lovely bit of kit. You've got your triple camera array at the back there, your double camera array at the front, and unlike the 5G version, this will indeed support micro SD. So that's just a very brief walk around of the S10 devices here on the Samsung booth. If you like this video, then please do us a favor and give us a thumbs up, and also subscribe to coolsmartphone.com for more videos like this. Cheers, I'll see you on the next one. Just as a quick add-on here, just before we disappear out of the booth, I couldn't make this visit to the Samsung booth complete without having a good look, or trying to get a good look at the Galaxy Fold. Now, they do have this behind glass, and I'll be honest, it's very difficult to see with all this reflection. You can see that gentleman's tie behind me very nicely. You can just make out the edge of it. I believe this one is the blue and black version, but they are being very, very cagey with who they let see this device and who they let get hands-on with it. So that's just a little add-on, just to tack on to the end of this video of the Galaxy Fold. Let's see if we can get a slightly better view around the side. That's just S10. Cheers. See you on the next one.